She has no reason to be grateful. She has no argument to lose. She is not trumpeting her statements. She only came here to be used. You were carnal and suggestive, full of booze and small blue pills. You'll provide her with breakfast and a taxi back to the hills. But she's much prouder than your ardor. She has a grace that you can't see. And she comes here without hint of favor. She'll never worship on her knees. And if you need her, she will hold you, both in memory and in skin. She has the means to create pleasure, so that both of you can win. When you are calm and cleansed and steady, when your mind is thinking clear, you may feel embarrassed and guilty, but really there's nothing you should fear. For both of you are travelers on the same road that leads to God knows where. It's only fate to separate you. You'll be the same when you get there. It's only fate that separates you. You'll be the same when you get there. So keep your secrets in a good place. You keep them with you as you go. As you go.
All dressed up and waiting for the party, keeping myself busy.